guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my winter curly hair routine. As you can see, my curls look really good. They look really moisturized and defined. I hate diffusing my hair, but I kind of had no choice because it's winter time and my hair takes forever to dry. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I normally dry it in a t-shirt. I don't use a towel because it causes more frizz. My hair is already detangled, so I'm going to start off with smaller sections. So the first thing I'm going to do is just spray my hair with some water. This is just a plain water bottle with just regular water in it. I like to detangle my hair with the paddle brush. I start from the ends and work my way to the root. So one of the products I'm going to be putting in my hair is from SheaMoisture. It's their curl enhancing smoothie. I really love this stuff. It's one of my staple products. I feel like it gives me a lot of moisture and it makes my hair super soft. So now we're just going to put that all over our section, and I like to focus on the ends the most because that's where I get the most dry. So the next product I'm going to be using is by Kristin. It's their Hydrating Curl Defining Cream. This is also another staple product of mine. I use it sometimes with the SheaMoisture, or sometimes I use it by itself. Either way, I absolutely love the way it makes my hair smell. I love the way it makes my hair feel, and I like how it clumps my curls together. So now I'm going to be using Curls, their Creme Brule Whipped Curl Cream. As you can see, I'm big on smells. This smells so freaking good. It's a little bit pricey for the size of the bottle that you have, but I feel like it's kind of worth it. It makes my hair feel really smooth, and it just makes your hair smell awesome throughout the day. So now I just like to rake all the products through my hair. I feel like this makes my curls look the best. After I get my curls to look like how I want them to, I just like to smooth everything out and then start on the next section. Now we're just going to repeat the same process to the other side. If you guys keep seeing me look to the side, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. So a new product I'm going to be trying out today is Aussie's Miracle Curls Curl Refresher with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. It's supposed to hold your curls in place while also taming the frizz. I just decided to try it out today to see if it works. It has a slight kind of like a gel hold to it, which I don't mind because I want it to hold the curls in place, and it also smells amazing. You could pretty much buy all these products from anywhere. I got mine from Target. I'm going to put the links and everything in the description box below, and I'm also going to put the prices. When I get to the front of my hair, I like to take my time, and the pieces that don't really curl like that or get like really frizzy, I like to just twirl them around and form a perfect kind of like spiral curl. I normally only do this to the front of my hair around my hairline area. Now I'm just gonna go in with that curl refresher spray and I'm just gonna spray that area that I just did. Now I'm just gonna go back in, and like I said, I'm just gonna twirl these little pieces so that way they look more uniformed and they look less frizzy. So this is how my hair is looking when I'm completely done. I'm just gonna do my edges and diffuse it and come right back to show you guys. So this is the finished product. I did use a heat protectant in my hair before I diffused it. The diffuser I also got from Target. I'll put the link in the description box below. My hair is still maybe like 20% wet. I didn't want to diffuse it too much because I didn't want that big frizzy look. Okay guys, so we got to the end of the video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Also turn on your bell notifications so that way when I post another video you guys can get notified. Until next time, deuces.